Good morning, dear students. Let us start the topic of area today. As we know, perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. And what is area? Area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. For example, if this is a rectangle which is a closed figure, so what is the amount of surface enclosed? Means inner also. What is the amount of surface inside the boundary? It is known as area. We know the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth and area of a square is side multiplied by side. And units of area are meter raised to the power 2, or you can say meter square, centimeter square. Why it is like this? Because we are multiplying two sides. So that's why meter square means 2 times meter are multiplied, 2 times centimeter are multiplied like this. And again keep one thing in mind, whenever you are finding area, the two sides you are multiplying, they should have the same units. Okay, let us start with exercise 10.2. Question number 2 is, find the area of rectangle with dimensions 14 meter 25 centimeter long and 2 meter 30 centimeter wide. Now length is 14 meter 25 centimeter. Now divide it with 100 to convert it into meters, or convert this meter into centimeter. The way you find easy, 14 meters, so it is 14 into 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, it is 1425 centimeter, and breadth is 2 meter 30 centimeter, so it is 2 into 100 centimeter plus 30 centimeter, that is 230 centimeter. Now both are in centimeter. Now you can find area. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So it is 1425 multiplied by 230, that is 3,27,750 centimeter square. So this is the way you will find the area of a rectangle. B part is 10 meter 10 centimeter long and 3 meter 30 centimeter wide. Now length is 10 meter 10 centimeter. Again convert it into meters. So it is 10 meter plus 10 by 100 meter, divide with 100, so it will be 10.01 meters, and breadth is 3 meter 30 centimeter. So again divide it with 100, it will be 3.3 meter, because here it is 3 meter plus this 0 will cancel, 3 by 10 means 0.3. So 0.3 means it is at the 10th place. So we will write it 3.3 meters. So area is length into breadth, it will be 10.1 into 3.3. Now how you will multiply? As I told you, simply first you multiply them without decimals. 101 multiplied by 33 is 3333. Now where to insert the decimal? One digit after decimal is here, one digit after decimal is here. It means total 2 digits are there. In the answer you will insert the decimal after 2 digits from the right hand side. So it will be 33.33 meter square. Next is third question. What will be the change in the area of a rectangle if length and breadth are doubled? Now as we know, area of rectangle is length into breadth, L into B. So if L becomes half of L, firstly I am doing B part, length and breadth are halves. So if length becomes half of L and breadth becomes half of B, put it here, it will be half L into half B. So half into half will become 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of length into breadth. So it means new area is 1 by 4 of the old area, because length into breadth was old area. So new area is 1 by 4 of the old area. A part was when the length and breadth are doubled. So doubled means when L becomes 2L and B becomes 2B. Put it here, it will be 2L, new area will be 2L into 2B. 2 into 2 will become 4. So it will be 4 into L into B. L into B was old area. So new area will be 4 times the old area. Next C part is length and breadth are tripled. So L will become 3L and B will become 3B. So area will be 3L into 3B. 3 into 3, 9. So it will be 9L into B. It means new area will be 9 times the old area. Old area is length into breadth. It means new area will be 9 times the old area. D part, length is doubled but breadth is halved. Now length will become 2L and B will become half of B. So 2 and 2 will cancel each other. So area, new area is equal to L into B, which is same as the old area. It means there is no change in the area. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is, find the length of a rectangle whose breadth is 48 centimeter and area is 1728 square centimeter. Now breadth is 48, area is 1728 centimeter square. You have to find the length. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area is given 1728. Length we don't know. So put it L. Breadth is 48. Now I want to find L. Shift this 48 on the other side. So it will go in the denominator. 1728 divided by 48. Now cancel it on the table of 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 2 88s are. It is the simplification. So you can start with the table of 2 also. After simplifying, you will be getting the answer 36 centimeter. So the length of this rectangle is 36 centimeter. Next is question number 6. A rectangle has an area equal to that of a square of side 35 centimeter. It means rectangle and square has same area and side of square is 35. If the breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter, find its length. Okay, area of rectangle is equal to area of square. It is given in the question. So side of square is 35 centimeter. Breadth of rectangle 25 centimeter. We want to find what is the length of rectangle. Now area of rectangle is equal to area of square. Area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth, and area of square is side into side. Side is given, so it will be 35 into 35. Length we don't know. We will write it as L, and breadth is 25. Now we want to find L, so shift this 25 on the other side. It will go in the denominator. 35 into 35 divided by 25. Cancel it on the table of 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So we are left with 7 into 7, 49 centimeters. So the length of rectangle is 49 centimeter. Next is question number 8. A square and a rectangular plot have the same perimeter. The length and breadth of the rectangular plot are 160 meter and 82 meter. Which plot has greater area and by how much? So here you have to find which has the greater area. But first thing is, to find area you should know all the dimensions of square and rectangle. For rectangle it is given, but for square we don't know the side. It means first we will calculate the side of the square. We have the condition that perimeter of both of them is same. So perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to perimeter of square plot. Rectangular plot perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So it is equal to the perimeter of square, which is 4 into side. Now length of rectangle 160, breadth 82. 4 into side. So it is 2 into 160 plus 82 is 242 is equal to 4 into side. Now 4 will go in the denominator. Now cancel it on the table of 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, then again 2 1s are 2, 2 121s are 242. So side of the square is 121 meter. Now let us calculate the area and we will see which one is greater. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, so it is 160 into 82, that is 1312 meter square. Keep in mind the units. For area it is meter square. Area of square is side into side, so it is 121 into 121, that is 14641 meter square. Clearly the area of square is greater than area of rectangle, and by how much? Subtract them. So we are getting the answer 13329 meter square. So this is the difference between the areas. Next is question number 9. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at a rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? Now here, cost of tiling a rectangular plot. It means if we want to fit the tiles, we first find area. Length is 500 meter and breadth is given to you 200 meter. Area of plot is length into breadth, so it will be 500 into 200. That means 1 lakh meter square. Now cost of tiling 100 meter square is rupees 8. So cost of tiling 1 meter square will be 8 by 100. And cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square will be 8 by 100 multiplied by 1 lakh. Two zeros will go, so it will be 8 into 1000 rupees, 8000. So cost of tiling the plot is rupees 8000. Now your homework for today is question number 5, question number 7th and question number 10th from exercise 10.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.